How to create Instagram highlight without a name. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Once you're in the home page, go to your profile tab, click on the plus icon beside your highlights. Once you're in this page, just select any photo that you want to include in your highlights. After choosing, click on the next button. It's on the upper right corner of the screen. And here, if we try to proceed to finish the highlight without any name, the default word is highlight. So it will be automatically named as highlight. So what we need to do is to trick Instagram that we will type in some characters. To do that, go to any browser that you have on your device. In my case, I will be using Safari. Search for blank character. Choose the first result and then tap on the square space. Click on copy. Now go back to Instagram and paste the blank character. Click on add and here's a highlight with a blank name. So that is how to create Instagram highlight without a name. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.